All right, senior citizens, this one is for you. I did a search from 317 different life insurance companies to see how much $50 a month would buy you in whole life final expense burial insurance. The only conditions that I put in there were diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol, all controlled. Most life insurance companies do not count this against you, and these are the most common issues that people have. So 317 different life insurance companies. I started with the cheapest, and then I stopped at the one that I personally recommend, so you can get a good range of coverage amounts, right? So you will see the most amount of coverage you can get for $50, and you're going to see the one that I recommend. So here we go. For the age of 50, for a 50-year-old male, $50 will buy you between $17,032 worth of coverage and $25,441 worth of coverage. For a 50-year-old female, $50 a month will buy you between $22,176 and $28,475. So we can go up to the age of 60. For the male, it's going to buy you between $11,500 worth of coverage and $14,500 worth of coverage. Now, at age of 60 for a female, $50 a month will buy you between $15,700 worth of coverage and $17,800 worth of coverage. Remember, I got the cheapest prices, and then I stopped at the company that I recommend. So now, age of 65, $50. You see how the prices are going down the older you get. So at age 65, $50 worth of coverage should get you between $8,800 worth of coverage and $11,000 worth of coverage. And this is from 317 different companies, right? And for a female at the age of 65, you can get between $12,300 worth of coverage and $13,700 worth of coverage. And I'm going to go up to age 70, and all of these will be listed. If you need to pause and scroll down and look at these numbers, you're more than welcome to do that. But the age of 70 for a male, $50 will buy you between $6,500 worth of coverage and $8,300 worth of coverage. At the age of 70 for a female, $50 will get you between $9,300 worth of coverage and $10,600 worth of coverage. Okay? And the older you get, the less you're going to buy for the $50, remember? All right, so at the age of 75, a male for $50 a month can get between $4,800 worth of coverage and $6,100 worth of coverage. Now, for a female at the age of 75, she can get, for $50 a month, $6,700 worth of coverage to $7,800 worth of coverage, okay? And then at 80, this is where a lot of life insurance companies kind of like they slow down with issuing policies. But at the age of 80, for $50 a month, a male can get between $3,400 worth of coverage and $4,000 worth of coverage, which is still enough to cover a cremation. Now, for age of 80 for a female, $50 will get them between $4,900 worth of coverage to $5,500 worth of coverage. Now, at age 85, the options are really limited as far as what the coverage you can get. But for $50 at age 85, a male can get between $2,400 worth of coverage and $2,500 worth of coverage for $50, right? And for a female at the age of 85, it's between $3,500. Well, it's $3,526. That was the best company. So that is the lowest price and the best company. So there you go. These are kind of what you have to expect, like for $50 a month, right? So don't let the advertisements fool you. They're just trying to get you on the phone. This is the cheapest price over to the right from 317 different companies. This is the first carrier that I would recommend, which isn't necessarily the cheapest price. But you can see this, and if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to contact me. All right, thanks a lot. I hope this helps, by the way. Hope this helps.